In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Slack notifications. If you use Slack regularly, you know how quickly notifications can get overwhelming. The good news is, with a few simple changes, you can control exactly what you're notified about, when you're notified, and how those notifications appear. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to open your Slack workspace and look for your profile picture in the sidebar, usually in the top right or top left corner depending on your layout. Click on your profile picture, and from the menu that appears, select Preferences. This is where all of your personal Slack settings live, including notifications. If you ever feel lost, just remember, Profile Picture, then Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, find and click on the Notifications tab. This is the main control center for what Slack will actually notify you about. You'll see a few clear options. You can choose to be notified about everything, which means every message in all channels you're part of. You can choose to only be notified for mentions and direct messages, which is a good balance for most people. Or, if you really need focus time, you can set notifications to nothing, so Slack stays completely quiet. Think about your role and how quickly you need to respond to things, then pick the option that matches your day-to-day needs. Remember, you can always come back here and change it later. Next, let's fine-tune when you get those alerts. Still under Notifications, look for the option to set a notification schedule. Here, you can choose specific hours when Slack is allowed to send you notifications, for example, from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Outside of those hours, you won't get pinged. This is especially helpful if you're trying to protect your evenings, weekends, or deep work time. Set a schedule that lines up with your working hours or availability, so Slack supports your work-life balance instead of interrupting it. Finally, scroll down to the section called Sounds and Appearance. This is where you can customize how your notifications look and sound. You can pick a different notification sound if you want something more subtle, or you can mute all sounds entirely if you prefer visual alerts only. You'll also see an option to include or hide message previews in banners. If you're sharing a screen or working in public, turning off previews can help you keep messages more private. And that's it. By adjusting these settings, you'll make Slack work on your terms, keeping you informed without overwhelming you.